Hi guys, welcome back to the Three Musketeers, and today I am going to be doing Slime Collection Part 2 from my birthday, except for some. I'll tell you the ones that I did not get for my birthday, okay? And now, let's get on to the video. These are my slimes, okay? Not anyone else's slime, okay? Now, let's do this. Oh, Sabrina. Okay, let's go. So the first one, let's do these three. These came in a kit. My mom bought them for me, and it was like powder and water, and we could put stuff in it at the end when you were done, and you had to leave it for like 5 minutes or so. So now I'm going to start with this one. It's the one I made, and it feels so soft. You open it. Okay, got it. And it comes with a little jug. This one was a poop emoji. Can you see that? Here it is, purple foam. And this one is so squishy. My birthday was September 20th. And now it's September 3rd, I think. So 3 days ago? Yeah, 3 days ago. And I made this one with my cousin. Well, he didn't make this one, but I made it in front of him. And I turned 8. So I'm now 8. Okay, let's stop. Next slime is the one my sister made. It's a blue slime. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, I actually didn't really touch this one. Comes with a star charm, the little bow. And we'll put this to the side. This one's nice and stretchy. I might name this blueberry slime. It kind of looks like blueberries. And just like the other slime, the other foam slime, it's so soft. Not sloth. It smells amazing. This one smells like blueberries. Okay. That made a pretty good slime. Now, if I could close this, we'd go on to the next slime. Okay. Pink slime. This one I'm going to name Purdy slime because that's one of all the things it came with. Came with a pink cloud with a little silly face. And we put all the little charms that you can put in it. And it was a flown, little colorful circle thingies. And another purple one, yellow, and then little colored hearts and foam. And this one's a pink one. It's like a party color. So the sun's starting to set already. So it's really bright on the side. It's better, right? And it's fine. Oh, yeah, I like this sign. It's soft because of the foam. Let's put it back in. And we'll go on to the next. So with these so I don't get mixed up. We'll do this slime, which actually you've seen before. I changed the color into another green. The one you saw was a bright green. So that's not the same color anymore. It's like this green now. They changed a lot. I haven't played this slime in a long time. I was still 7. And I also made a video about the slime, so you should go check it out. This one's pretty jumbo though. Okay. I don't think I'm doing a slime smoothie though, because I love all my slimes and I don't think I want to mix them yet. So yeah. Sorry guys. I might do it one day, but no time soon. Now we have this twosome I got from school. None of my friends gave that to me, okay? Just somewhere that they had model magic and I got some. And there's also yellow, so I mixed some yellow to make teal. And I put some water in it, so now it's kind of like cloudy. And then front back is a little closer. Okay, yeah, that's it. And I named it Blue Ocean Slime because it used to look like the ocean. Now it's more tealish. But it's fine. Doesn't really matter about the name. And if I could close this, that would be nice. And I seem to not. Okay. Now on to a slime I got for my birthday. And this one's a jiggly slime, and it's also a chocolate slime, not jam. This one I made, I think, 2 days ago or something like that. So it's a pretty new slime. It's really jiggly, so sometimes it breaks, but I'm fine with that for a layered jiggle slimes. So, yeah. Okay, got it. It's really glossy. It's a nice texture. I haven't played with this one a lot yet. Ooh. You like my new smile? Okay. I used to make bubbles, but I never made a bubble with this slime, so let's see if I can. The whole screen is covered. Oh, a baby bubble. Oh, it won't pop. Okay. That one was loud. Okay, let's put this away because it's not a playing with slime video. It's a slime collection. And I also made another slime collection. And you can see it. Because I already uploaded it. It was I made it a long time ago, but I didn't upload it a long time ago. Now I'm doing my banana Laffy Taffy slime. The reason why I named this one Banana Laffy Taffy is because it looks like Banana Laffy Taffy. And if I get it off, that would be really nice. I also put some of my model magic in it for fun. It's not the best put this on, but I don't care about the better. I just wanted to see what would happen, so it's just an experiment. But I know you usually use Daiso clay. I can see some bubbles in it. It's nice and glossy too. Really stretchy. Really stretchy. It's a really good stretcher, this slime. And it's super soft, not sloth. Okay, so it's not too bad. Okay, I will go higher. Well, there. And that is my banana growing. Laffy Taffy slime. So if you saw some of my stuff back there, it's just my homework. Okay. Bye. Okay, I am going to do this slime. It looks so glossy. I put this slime like every day. I love this slime. And it's supposed to so good. And if you can guess, this is a Mentos container. If you're putting your slime in a Mentos container, don't forget to wash it with water and soap a lot, because otherwise your slime might turn a little sticky. Mine turned a little sticky, but I just fixed it by just mixing all of it in. But if I did wash it still. But okay, got it all out. This one is so nice. And if you guessed, it is a butter slime. So if you guys guessed butter slime, you were correct. And I have a dare for you guys. You ready? I dare you guys to smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications and like this video. Turn your notifications so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And I'm about to make a bubble. Oops. Don't know what that was. Yeah, I'm going to back you guys up. Beep, 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 beep. Good. You can barely see my head now. Okay, I have an idea. This is just slime. Okay. Oh, I made a bubble before, don't worry. There, bubble. And that's it for this slime. Say beep, 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 beep. And now, wait, I want to try something. I can do that, yay. Okay. Goodbye. And last but not least, my minty slime. It's actually my favorite color, just a little bit darker than my favorite color. And this one is so stretchy. So stretchy. Smells like slime. Oh, and the chocolate slime and the butter slime and the slime I just showed you, it's actually from the chocolate slime kit and the slime. I actually don't know if this slime can make a bubble. So let's go find out. First, smoosh it on the table and take it like that. Not really. Whoa. Okay, blue. Oh. This is my video for slime. So, like and subscribe to the Three Musketeers and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. You got it? Good. And I hope you guys enjoy. And again, like and subscribe to the Three Musketeers and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now, wait, bubble. Bye. I just want to do one more thing. Okay. Okay. Now.